Hello everyone. So today we have a new problem which is the find polygon with the largest perimeter. LeetCode 2971 problem. See, it's a medium level problem, but I will say it's not a medium problem. It's a very easy problem. If you know the concept, if you know the properties of polygon, then it's a very medium problem, very easy problem actually. So let's read the problem statement. So you are given an array of 42 integer nums of length n. A polygon is a closed plane figure that has at least three sides. Means if we want to make a polygon, so minimum कितनी sides का तीन sides का हम polygon बना सकते हैं. The longest side of the polygon is smaller than the sum of its or other sides. It's a property of polygon that the longest side of the polygon will be less than the other sides of the polygon, some of the other sides of the polygon. So conversely, if you have the k, means k greater than equals to 3, which is a good k positive real numbers. These are numbers. So where this is the property, a1 plus a2 plus a3, this sum is greater than that end of the number, means longest side of the number. Then the perimeter of the polygon is the sum of the lengths of the its side. So we have to return the largest possible perimeter of a polygon whose sides can be formed from nums and otherwise minus 1. Okay. So let's directly see the approach for this. So if we have this array nums a2, a1, a3, a4, a5, a6. So now what we will do is we will firstly sort the array like a1, a2, a3, a4, a5. We will sort this. Now for the polygon, the condition is sum of the other sides is greater than the longest side. Should be greater than the longest side of the array. So if we have sorted this for the sum of the other sides like a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 plus a5 should be greater than a6 because a6 is the longest side of the array. So this will not be sum. This is the longest side of the array. So after sorting, we have this array. Now, if we want to create a polygon, so the minimum minimum three sides का polygon we can create. So if we want to create the three sides polygon, so if we take the polygon like a1 a2 and a3, so a1 a2 a3 को लेंगे तो इसकी जो a1 plus a2 should be greater than a3. This condition should hold क्योंकि if you want to create a polygon, so एक condition है कि उसके जो sum of the other sides है वो longest side से ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए. So a1 plus a2 should be greater than a3. If this condition holds, so we can see like if we take the numbers a1 a3 a4, so a1 plus a3 should greater than a4. If this condition is true, so what we can do is we can add something in this a1 plus a3. We can add a2 also. So a1 plus a2 plus a3, it should be definitely greater than a4 because if a1 plus a3 is greater than a4, so a1 plus a2 plus a3 is should be greater than a4 because a2 is we have given this that all sides are the positive sides. Okay, so if we are adding something that is positive number, so it should be a higher value. So a1 plus a2 plus a3 should be greater than a4. If we take the number a1 plus a3 plus a5 like this, so a1 plus a3 should be greater than a5. So इसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं फिर a2 और a4 को. So अब ये ऐसा बन जाएगा a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 should be greater than a5. ये हमने थ्री साइड्स के लिए क्या है क्योंकि इफ यू वांट टू क्रिएट अ पॉलीगन, सो मिनिमम कितनी तीन साइड का पॉलीगन हम क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. आगे हम फोर साइड्स के लिए भी करेंगे सेम चीज, फाइव के लिए भी करेंगे. सो लेट्स डायरेक्टली डू द कोड फॉर दिस. So yes. So for coding part, firstly what I have to do is I have to sort this nums dot begin comma nums dot end. After your sorting, you will see I have a array where all elements are in sorted order. So now what I will do is I will take a prefix sum because we are taking the sum we are taking some a1 plus a2 that should be greater than a3. Then we are adding something in a1 plus a2 means a1 plus a2 plus a3. Then we are adding something. Then we are adding something. It is like a prefix sum. So we'll take long prefix prefix sum. Initially it will be equals to uh, nums 0 प्लस नम्स वन बिकॉज प्रीवियस जो प्रीफिक्स सम रहेगा क्योंकि मिनिमम तीन साइड का एरे बना सकते हैं तो लाइक दिस इफ दिस एरे नम्स इफ वी हैव दिस एरे नम्स 5 5 5 सो इसमें प्रीफिक्स हम फाइंड करेंगे तो 5 + 5 10 हो जाएगा ठीक है इनिशियली टू एलिमेंट्स का जो सम होगा वो प्रीफिक्स सम के इक्वल होगा नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू आई विल टेक answer that I have to return finally. Now I'll apply a loop that will go from I equals to 2 to I less than n, then I plus plus. Now I will check like answer equals to maximum. I'll take a maximum if but a condition should be there if prefix sum. If my prefix sum is greater than nums of I, like 1 minute, nums of I. Yeah. Why I'm writing like this? If prefix sum is a nums of 0 plus nums of 1, if this condition holds a1 plus a2 greater than a3, it means it's a good condition for polygon. Now what I will do is I'll I'll check I will create recreate the answer like answer equals to maximum of answer plus prefix sum plus nums of I. I'll add now finally I will update also the prefix sum plus equals to nums of I. Here I have updated the prefix sum. Now finally what I will do I will return answer like answer equals to this. If this condition holds now in this condition I will return like where yeah -1. If answer equals to 0 it means I have to return -1 otherwise I will return answer. So now let's run this and see if this will work or not. Is the problem begin? Yeah, prefix sum nums of 0 plus nums of 1. Now again run this. Yes, it is working perfect. Let's submit this code. Yeah, it is working perfect. So now let's discuss about the time and space complexity for this solution. So here we are sorting this. So time complexity will go of n log n plus we are iterating the whole array. So big O of n plus big O of n log n will be the time complexity and the space complexity will be approx equals to big O of log n or big O of n because here we are sorting and somehow we are storing the elements also. So it will be big O of n also. So this was the complete code. If you find this helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe.